So I am sitting in the car right now out in front of our house because where we live, it gets extremely windy and cold, and I didn't want to stand outside to show you this. But if you've watched our channel, you know that we like to review things. If we get something new, we like to share it.
Friends on a road trip.
What we just added to our house is called Trimlight. Like everybody else out there, I jump online, I search for ideas, I search for tips on how to fix things or come up with patterns, because you can do all sorts of cool stuff with this. So there's a lot out there. I mean, there's some good stuff, but there's also not a lot of explanation, and I'm kind of a show me kind of guy.
You taught me everything I know about exterior illumination. Thank you, thank you.
So basically what happens is when you get set up with Trimlight, they're going to put a box in your house, typically your garage. It's like the control panel. They'll set it up. I'm not going to go into how the trim lights are set up and what they do, but they're permanent, which is neat. If you're like me, you get it set up. They tell you to download the app. And then once you download the app, you're going, what do I do now? Trimlight's an amazing company, but if there's anything I could give them advice on, it would be update your app, make your app a little bit easier. Because I have yelled at the app a few times and I kind of figured out a few things. All right, so I'll jump right in here and show you the phone, show you the app, and kind of just give you a quick snapshot. You know how to set up a pattern. This might not do anything for you, but if you don't know how, and you're like me and you're trying to figure it out, maybe this will help you out a little bit. What you're going to do first is hopefully you've downloaded the Trimlight app. You've got that on your phone. I'll show you that. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to jump right into the Trimlight app. Then it's going to bring you to what I call the sandbox. The reason why I call it the sandbox is because this is where you can kind of customize patterns. You can select colors, you can change colors, you can do all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool. Now, I don't know what your phone's going to say, but I know in my phone it says default pattern Canada Day. I have no idea why, but Canada Day is the default pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Canada Day drop-down menu, and then I'm going to select create a pattern, and I'm going to name that pattern pattern 1. So after you've named it pattern 1, you say create, and then it's going to bring you to the screen, and you can see where it'll default to 5 red. Now, what does 5 red mean? And I was watching videos on this. I'm like, what does that even mean? I don't even get that. But 5 red basically means every single 5 lights around your house is going to be red. So essentially, default, the whole house is going to be red. And that's what 5 red means. But if you want to mix it up a little bit, like I'll show you here, let's say you want to do blue as well. You don't want red, you want red and blue back to back. So what you'll do is you can drop blue right down into the pattern mix there, and you can see where every single bubble is the next color in the pattern. So in this sense, it's 5 red. We've got the blue. We'll drop a number 5 into the blue, and as you probably guessed, that's going to mean 5 red, then 5 blue, 5 red, 5 blue, all the way around. And you can actually see that there. Its defaulted animation is static. So that basically just means if you don't want the lights doing anything, you want 5 red, 5 blue all the way around your house, it's just going to sit there, be lit up. That's going to be your static pattern. But let's mix it up here a little bit. We'll do a chase forward. And it's kind of hard to see in the phone, but a chase forward basically just means the lights are rotating forward. In this instance, it's to the left. So the lights are blinking to the left and they're rotating. So it's kind of cool. Now, what you can do also is you can speed it up, or you can make the lights, brighter, dimmer. I always have them set to bright because I want it to be bright. So I just always have bright on there, but let's speed it up here a little bit. And you can see where it goes a lot faster. And you can slow it down. You can do whatever you want there. But so basically you get it set up. You're like, I like it. This is great. Now you have to make sure you hit save. Don't forget to hit save. And then when you back out, and you go back into the Trimlight and you hit that down arrow for under Canada Day, and you got all your patterns, when you scroll down, you'll actually see pattern 1 in there. So that is how you make a pattern in a nutshell. I hope this helped you out a little bit. But if you've got tips or maybe ideas, or maybe you have patterns or something too, share them, because as I learn more patterns and I come up with more things, and I want to share them on here because I think it's cool and it's fun. I think Facebook has done a great job. There's a couple Facebook communities out there that I'll put a link in the video to. Encourage you to join them because a lot of super smart people are on there putting some amazing things. But there's a lot of people that they don't want to do videos. They'd rather just post on Facebook, and that's cool. I like to do videos. So be sure to check out the Facebook pages. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that. And good luck with your Trimlight.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace.